Hello everyone, welcome to another episode on Techno Breako. Today, we're soaring into the realm of Parrot OS. If you're passionate about cybersecurity or just love exploring new tech, stick around as we uncover the features and functionalities of this powerful OS. Let's get started. What is Parrot OS? Parrot OS is a Debian-based Linux distribution that's become a staple in the cybersecurity world. It's designed for ethical hacking, privacy, and digital forensics, but it's not just for professionals. It's user-friendly for newcomers too. Today, we'll explore why Parrot OS is a top choice for security experts. The philosophy behind Parrot OS. Before we dive into the technicalities, let's talk philosophy. Parrot OS is built on the idea that everyone deserves access to professional security tools. It's about empowering users with freedom, privacy, and a robust set of tools to protect their digital life. This philosophy shapes every aspect of Parrot OS. Key features of Parrot OS. Parrot OS is loaded with features that make it a unique player in the OS arena. From its custom hardened Linux kernel to a full suite of security tools, it's got everything you need for penetration testing, vulnerability analysis, and more. We'll take a closer look at these features next. Deep dive into security tools. Let's deep dive into the security tools Parrot OS offers. We're talking about AnandSurf for anonymous browsing, Metasploit framework for vulnerability exploitation, and much more. These tools are what make Parrot OS a powerhouse for security professionals. Editions of Parrot OS. Parrot OS isn't one size fits all. It comes in different editions, tailored to specific needs. The Security Edition is a favorite among ethical hackers, while the Home Edition is perfect for everyday use. And for IoT enthusiasts, there's even an ARM Edition. We'll explore what each edition has to offer. Installation and setup. Installing Parrot OS is straightforward, and I'll guide you through the process. Whether you're installing it on a virtual machine or a physical computer, I've got you covered. Follow along as we set up Parrot OS together. Customization and configuration. One of the best parts about Parrot OS is its flexibility. You can customize and configure it to fit your workflow. I'll show you how to tweak the settings, themes, and tools to make Parrot OS truly yours. Community and learning resources. The Parrot OS community is vibrant and supportive. With extensive documentation and forums, you're never alone on your cybersecurity journey. Let's take a moment to appreciate the resources available to Parrot OS users. Latest updates and features in Parrot OS. Parrot OS is constantly evolving, and the latest version, Parrot OS 6.0, brings exciting new updates and features. We'll discuss the enhancements, from updated tools to system improvements, and see how they can benefit your security tasks. In last, we've covered a lot today, from the basics of Parrot OS to its latest updates. If you're as excited about this OS as I am, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech deep dives. Have questions or want to share your experience with Parrot OS? Drop a comment below. Until next time, keep exploring and stay secure.